volatile market be investor friendly? In the world of investing, we often hear the phrase buy low, sell high. But what if the market is anything but predictable? What if it's filled with wild fluctuations and sudden drops? Can such a volatile market still be friendly to investors? Let's explore this idea. A volatile market is like a roller coaster ride, exciting highs and terrifying lows. One of the biggest challenges is overreacting to market movements. When the market drops, it is easy to panic and sell. When it rises, it's tempting to jump in too quickly. These emotional decisions can lead to big losses. But it's not all bad news. A volatile market can also present opportunities. Yes, the market swings can make investors nervous, but they also create chances to buy assets at lower prices. Imagine the market dips and the prices of stocks or mutual funds fall. If you're in it for long term, this could be your chance to buy more for your money. When the market eventually recovers, you could benefit from these low entry prices. Volatility can also help you become a more disciplined investor. It forces you to evaluate your risk tolerance, diversify your investments, and think strategically. For example, if the price of a mutual fund scheme drops due to market volatility, don't panic. Instead, see it as an opportunity to buy at a lower price, adopting a buy low mentality. This could lead to relatively high returns when the market stabilizes. Of course, it's important to avoid emotional decision making. Fear and greed can cloud your judgment. So how do you stay on track? First, diversify your investments. Spread your money across different assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate. Second, set clear investment goals. This will keep you focused and prevent hasty decisions. Third, stay informed. Make decisions based on facts, not emotions. And finally, consider using strategies like rupee cost averaging, where you invest a set amount regularly regardless of market conditions. To wrap it up, market volatility may seem intimidating, but it can be an opportunity if approached properly. By viewing volatility as a chance to buy assets at a lower price and by staying disciplined, you can benefit when the market recovers. Just remember, investing always carries risks. Make sure your strategy is well thought out, aligns with your financial goals, and reflects your risk tolerance. So while a volatile market can be challenging, it can also be an investor-friendly environment for those who think strategically. Stay patient, stay informed, and always have a long-term perspective. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights on investing. See you in the next video. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.